Hi, hello and welcome to Sahasra Vastu. This is Neha here. Many people ask me, where should we put our locker or tijori at home? Although all of us use digital cash, but it's always better to have a locker or tijori at home where you put your physical cash into it. The best place to put locker or tijori is in the west, 0 degree west or 0 degree north or southeast. And see that the locker should be facing towards north. To calculate exactly, you should always grid your layout by angular division method, which can be only done by a scientific Vastu consultant. If you have any queries or any concerns regarding your locker, please call at the number mentioned below, and I am more than happy to assist you in this. Thank you.